Welcome back. In this section, I will talk about the importance of understanding your audience's musical preferences and demographics and how it can help you create a playlist that resonates with them. As a DJ, radio producer, or content creator, your goal is to create a playlist that connects with your listeners and keeps them engaged. And the best way to do that is by understanding who your listeners are and what kind of music they like. By researching your audience's musical preferences and demographics, you can gain insights into what kind of music they like, what artists they follow, and what genres they are into. This information can help you select songs that are more likely to resonate with them and create a playlist that is tailored to their tastes. But audience research is not just about musical preferences, it is also about understanding the demographics of your listeners. Are they young or old? Male or female? Where do they live? What is their cultural background? These factors can influence their musical tastes and help you create a playlist that's more relevant to them. So in the next section, I will discuss how to research your audience's musical preferences and demographics and how to use this information to create a playlist that resonates with them. Understanding your audience is the key to creating a successful playlist, and I'm here to help you do just that. So stay tuned for the next section and let's get started.